I'm here. I'm here just laying down and thinking about my beautiful wife, Doreen K. Claiborne. You know, the more, the more I'm here laying down by myself with my teddy bear, thinking about her, she makes tears come up my eyes. You know, this is such a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful wife. My fiance, my best friend, my sister, my mom. You know, guys, I'm gonna tell you a story for my fans. You know, I lost my mom. My mom, she live in England. She leave Jamaica and go to England. You know, to get a better life, to fight for our kids. And I am the last one for my mom. You know, my mom was a great mom. You know, but she fight, she sacrificed. You know, and being in Jamaica, going to school, doing things for myself. You know, as a younger, you know, as a kid, doing all these things. You know, paying my school fee by myself, going to bank, collecting my lunch money, doing all those stuff. You know, I think God was trying to build me up as a man. The more I look back and I sit back and I see the things that I go through when I was young. Not saying I was going through a young rough age, but I go through something that when I look back on my life when I was a kid and my mom was in England, it showed me that he was creating me to be the man, to be strong, to fight, to sacrifice, the pain, the struggle, the cry, the fight, all evil things around me, the bad mind, the grudgeful, all those things, the real people, the fake people, all those things that I go through is just to build me the right way that I am now. You know, my mom passed off in England. You know, kidney transplant. You know, and she passed off. When she passed off, she passed off in my month of my birthday. She passed off July the 20th, and my birthday was the 8th. And I was at work, you know, and I was doing overtime, and I see my phone ring. My sister, my friend had to take the phone and call me to tell me because my sister almost died because she could not believe it. And at that time, my mom used to say, the last time I hear from my mom, she called and I was sitting in England, and you know, she was talking to me and she make a big sound, cough sound on the seatbelt. And I said, Mom, you know, and when I hear she made that big low cough sound, I know I was going to lose my mom. You know? I love my mom. You know? This is the 2000-meter steeplechase over the first of 2 weeks for boys here. You know, I love my mom so much.
Jamaica Carnival again displayed great strength in their mid-distance running. It's good to see them right up there. Rogers going on the outside.
But my mom is my mom, and no one can take that from me. But God has bring but a mom, a wife, a friend, and everything to me. And she's my wife. I love my wife even more than my mom, because this lady, this my fiance, my wife, she's everything to me. A lot of I get a lot of fight from family, friend, best friend, people that I don't know, because they see the beauty in this relationship, and it was not easy because I have to go through the pain, the sorrow, the tears, not to prove to my wife, to build myself, and to build back my fiancée. I have to build her back. I have to build her. I have to lift her spirit back, because she was down when I met her. She was down on the ground when I met her. I built her back.
I'm not sure if the number of entries aren't enough, but I think it would really help. One, the fans becoming a lot more interested in the event.
And
two,
when I look back,
we're a lot more comfortable going
when I look back at life and everything that I go through,
but the other two, the one Marion Smith,
my
and
mom
also,
and everything,
Campbell of Jamaica
I
College,
deserve
even last year, got
every
to the
bit
finals
of
last
glory
year,
God has
was
given
Marion
me
was fifth
right
last
now.
year, while Jamaica College
And my
was
wife,
so I think that's why we're seeing them able to separate themselves.
my
A lot
wife,
more just, like I said, just
she would agree with me. I love her. I love her. She's the greatest thing ever happened to me. She's the best thing in the world. I love you, darling. I love you.
and just the same, a lot of the meets over the years we've seen where the 400